What's the meaning of burlesque? Burlesque. Burlesque.
Burlesque. Burlesque. The term burlesque can have a few different meanings, but generally refers to a type of entertainment that involves mocking or satirizing serious subjects in a humorous or absurd way. In the context of theater or performance, a burlesque show typically includes elements of comedy, parody, and sexual innuendo. The term can also refer to a literary genre that uses humor, exaggeration, and mockery to comment on society or politics. Overall, burlesque is a form of entertainment that aims to amuse and entertain audiences by poking fun at serious topics in a lighthearted and irreverent way.